Hey, great to see you. Have you heard about Voice of the Customer, also known as VOC?
No, I haven't. What's VOC?
It's a process of capturing a customer's expectations, preferences, and aversions. It's important to know who your customers are before capturing data.
That makes sense. How do we define the VOC and quantify it?
We can organize customer wants and needs into a hierarchical structure prioritized in terms of relative importance. We can gather data from our customers using things like surveys, complaints, reviews, focus groups, or interviews.
What about prioritizing customer requirements?
We can use Kano analysis, a tool for prioritizing requirements based on category. Basic needs are must-haves, performance needs are things that the customer would like more of, and delighters are items that the customer does not know about yet.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. On a smartphone, a basic need might be texting, a performance need might be a longer battery life or a better camera, and a delighter might be a new feature that the project team develops to exceed customer expectations.
That's interesting. Where can I learn more about VOC and Kano analysis?
You can visit our website at emsstrategies.com and contact us. We would be happy to help.